Today, I'm making a cozy cinnamon pecan focaccia using a simple shortcut: frozen Rhodes yeast dinner rolls. No kneading, no mixer. Just an easy baking hack that turns frozen dough into something warm, fluffy, and completely homemade. Let's get started! I've already greased a cast iron pan with melted butter. We'll be using about 12 to 14 frozen dinner rolls, depending on how thick you like the dough. I'm using a 12-inch pan with 13 rolls. Now arrange the frozen dinner rolls evenly in the pan, cover them loosely, and let them thaw and rise at room temperature for about 5 hours, or up to overnight, until they're soft, puffy, and fully doubled in size. The timing can vary depending on your room temperature, but this step is key. Patience here gives you that fluffy, focaccia-style texture. In the meantime, let's talk about the pecans. We'll need 1 cup of pecans. For convenience, you can use roasted and salted pecans. But since they're already seasoned, skip adding extra salt to the recipe. You can also use raw pecans, and for the best flavor, I like to lightly toast them first. They'll finish roasting in the oven later, bringing out that warm, nutty aroma without overdoing it. After the dough has fully risen, drizzle half of the 1/4 cup melted butter over the top, saving the rest for later. Then gently dimple the surface with your fingertips. This helps the dough hold all that delicious flavor. Sprinkle the pecans evenly over the top, so every bite gets that crunchy, nutty texture. Next comes the flavor. Mix together half a cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Cast iron or metal pans are ideal here because they hold and distribute heat evenly, giving us a crisp golden bottom while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. Now sprinkle the sugar cinnamon evenly over the dough so every bite is sweet and spiced. Finish with a drizzle of the remaining melted butter, so everything bakes up golden and beautifully fragrant. The focaccia goes into a 350-degree oven and bakes until puffed and golden. As soon as it comes out of the oven, the aroma is incredible. Warm cinnamon, toasted pecans, and buttery dough filling the kitchen. The top is beautifully golden, crisp around the edges. It looks just as good as it smells. While the focaccia cools slightly, we'll make a simple vanilla sugar glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Start with 1 tablespoon and add a little at a time until the glaze reaches a smooth, pourable consistency. I like mine a little thicker, so I just used 1 tablespoon of milk. This glaze is light, just sweet enough, and perfectly complements the bread without overpowering it. You can make this ahead of time by letting the dough rise overnight in the fridge. Just bring it to room temperature before adding the topping and baking. Leftovers are still delicious, though the texture may soften slightly as the glaze soaks in. Store any extras in an airtight container. You can refrigerate for up to 3 days. Just warm slightly before serving for the best texture. To freeze, wrap tightly in plastic wrap and foil, and store for up to 1 month. Thaw and reheat before serving. And that's it! An easy cinnamon pecan focaccia made with frozen dough, but finished like a bakery-style treat. It's warm, fluffy, lightly sweet, and perfect for sharing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, cozy baking ideas. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep tasting the world, 1 bite at a time. I'll see you in the next video.